नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic reorder level. Now, what is reorder level? Uh, in the last video, I talked about inventory management, objective of inventory management. So this is all related to the business. In the business, inventory is very important and it plays a vital role, you can say. So for this, in the business, ordering is also important. So reordering level means in the management accounting, you can say reorder level is the inventory level at which a company would place a new order or start a new manufacturing run. So reorder level is totally depends on a company's work order lead time and its demand during that time, and whether the company maintains a safety stock. So work order means lead time in the time is the time the company suppliers take in manufacturing and delivering the ordered units. Identifying the correct reorder level is important. If a company places a new order too soon, it may receive the ordered unit earlier than expected, and it would have to bear additional carrying cost in the form of warehousing rent, opportunity cost, etc. So, however, you can say if the company places an order, it's too late. So, it would result in a stock out cost, for example, lost sales, etc. Now, the formula of this reorder is reorder level is totally depends on whether a safety stock is maintained. If there is no safety stock, reorder level can be worked out using the following formula. And what is this formula? It is reorder level equals to average demand multiplied by lead time. Okay, so both demand and lead time must be in the same unit of time, that is both should be in days or weeks, etc. It should be same. Okay, so if a company maintains a safety stock, reorder level calculation changes as follows. And what is this? This reorder equals to average demand into multiply by lead time plus safety stock. So this is the formula for calculating this. Now come to the examples. In the first example, like ABC Limited is a retailer of footwear. It sells 500 units of one of the famous brand daily. Its supplier takes a week to deliver any ordered units, right? So the inventory management should place an order before the inventories drop below 3500 units, means 500 units of daily usage multiplied with 7 days of lead time in order to avoid a stock out. Means what I have told you in the formula, that's reorder level is calculated by the average demand multiplied by lead time. So you have to multiply this sales unit multiply by 7 days. Okay, so 7 5s are 35. So it is equal to 3500, right? Another example is that ABC Limited had decided to hold a safety stock equivalent to average usage of 5 days. Calculate the reorder level. For this safety stock which ABC Limited has decided to hold equals to 2500 units. That means 500 units of daily usage multiplied by 5 days, as we have we did in this example. Okay, so in this scenario reorder level would be 6000 units, means 2500 of safety stock plus 3500 units, which is based on the 7 days of lead time. Okay, So see the difference between these two. Thank you. This is all about today's session. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.